Hello everyone, welcome to Introduction to Programming lesson. In last lesson, we learned about algorithms concepts and 3 types of algorithm with examples. In this lesson, we will start to explore what is programming. Talking about programming, what is your first impression about it? A list of nonsense formulas? I believe after this lesson, you will understand those nonsense formulas. The purpose of this lesson are to introduce what is programming, describe fundamental parts of programming, demonstrate how to write code, and briefly introduce 5 most popular programming languages. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to explain what is programming by using a proper example, list and describe 6 fundamental parts of programming, and design a program based on users' requirements. Okay, let's begin. What is programming? It is a process that creates sets of instructions to tell computers how to perform tasks. Many people may think it is equal to math, but actually it is about logical thinking. We can explain programming by using its analogy example, fridge. In real life, fridge works like this. When it is working, system checks its temperature. If temperature is too high, then cold engine starts. If temperature is too low, then cold engine stops. The system will wait 5 minutes to repeat the above steps to maintain fridge work correctly. How to write in a way that computer can understand? At first, we need to design a pseudocode. It is a solution written in plain English but cannot compiled. The pseudocode or bridge has exactly logical steps with real-life fridge workflow. While the fridge is running, the system will check temperature. If temperature is higher than max temperature, which means the temperature is too high, then the system will start cold engine. If temperature is less than minimum temperature, which means the temperature is too low, then it stops cold engine. After completing these checks, it will wait 5 minutes and then check the temperature again. Next, we will start to learn 6 fundamental parts of programming. They are constant, variable, operator, data type, flow control, and scope. Constant is a stuff that cannot be changed. For example, A. Gender. Variable is stuff that will change. For example, age. Operator is doing procedure with constant and variable, for example, add, plus, and times. The following 3 types will explain in next slides. Data type is type of data in programming language. There are 2 main types, which are number type and number and letter type. In number type, there are 3 subtypes. Integer is a number, range from 0 to 65,535. Float point is float point integer, for example, 3.5, 4.72. Double is float point integer that is large. Under number and letter type, character is single character, such as C, K, 1, 5, 7. String is a collection of characters, for example, name and age. Next type is flow control, which is a critical part in programming. It has 2 subtypes, which are condition and loop. Condition controls the workflow of code, which are if else, and switch. Loops controls repeat times of procedure, which are for loop, while and do-while loop. Please finish flow control lesson and we will meet in next couple of minutes. Welcome back. Next, we will learn what is scope. It is a region that defined variables can be accessed. There are two types of variable, which are global variable, local variable. Global variable, it is defined outside of function, usually on the top of program. Local variable is defined inside a function. This is the example, written in C code style. This one is int global equals 0, so initialize global variable. And this is me function. This part initialize local variable. Int local equals 3. And this function print out the local variable's value, which is 3. Now it is quiz time. Please take 5 to 10 minutes to think about it. What is the output of this program? Next, I will demonstrate how to write code. Our target is write and compile a program that can print out hello world. I will write in Java language style. First, open JEdit, and then start to type code. And now save the file. Save as. I save in dpy. Hello world orld.java. Please pay attention to file name because file name must same with the class name. Next is we write the main function. String args. And this part is the system out println, which will output hello world. System.out.println hello world. Close the main function and close the class, and then save the file, and then open CMD, which is command line, and type D, because I store my file in D drive, then it's accessed to D drive. Now type javac hello world.java. This procedure is to check if the code exists some error, and the system shows there's no error and can be compiled. So now we compile this word. See the system output hello world, which is our target. And last, the 5 popular programming languages in 2017 are: the first one is Python. The reason of it is because it is easy to learn, and in Mac system, CMD has default Python editor, which means programmer does not need to install other compilers. Second one is C language. It is one of the most widely used language. Many languages are based on C. Third one is Java. It is because this language is object-oriented, which means you can create modular and reusable code. The fourth one is C++. It is a higher version of C. The last one is C#. It is also a different variation of C language. In summary, we learned what is programming, 6 fundamental parts of programming, how to write code, 5 types of popular programming language. In next class, we will learn how computer science makes contribution to our life and our future. If you have any question, please feel free to email me. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.